Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese Mini Truck channel. In our video today, we'll be discussing how to import Suzuki Carry parts the easy way. Japanese mini trucks have become among the most popular lightweight trucks in the market. They have been around for many decades and still continue to win the hearts of many people all over. This is mainly because of their capabilities, quality and the performance that they offer. Many owners of Japanese mini trucks laud them and even compare them as the better option as compared to owning standard pickup trucks. Maintenance is however necessary, just like with any other vehicle out there. You also need to make necessary repairs whenever they are needed. In this guide, we will go through the process of importing Suzuki Carry parts the easy way. First, you need to do a research on the cost of the spare parts. One thing that you ought to keep in mind before you even start searching for a seller online is to ensure that you know the actual cost of the spare parts that you're getting. You should check out some of the sellers online and compare from different stores that you will come across. This will not only eliminate the guesswork of not knowing the actual cost that you should be spending money on, but also helps you to avoid being cheated into buying it at a higher price. Another thing is to watch out for scams. Like every other industry out there are scams that could lure you and take away your hard-earned money when you're trying to shop for your Suzuki Carry part. Some people may use false pretense to make you think that they really have the spare parts, when in reality, they could not even be in that continent. It is how modern scams work these days. To avoid this, you have to make sure that you do your due diligence and check out the actual seller that you're dealing with. Lastly, you need to ensure that you get only genuine parts. Perhaps the most important thing that you should be ensuring is that you are using genuine parts in your vehicle. Many people will go for any spare parts that they come across, forgetting that they are lower quality ones that will not last long. It also means that you will not get the best out of your vehicle. Usually, people are lured to buying lower quality ones because they are usually cheaper. However, as the saying goes, cheap is expensive. You cannot expect such a spare part to last long. They usually break down, while others do not usually fit well, which makes them less functional. Such could make the vehicle less performing as compared to when you could have gotten a genuine part. To conclude, Japanese mini trucks have always stood out. These vehicles are loved across the globe. Despite being small and lightweight, they can do a lot and people love them for this fact. But maintaining them is the best way that you can get even more from them. And this brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.